Hello, my name is Angela. I'm an UNAD student, and today I'm going to talk you about the sounds of vowels and diphthongs. So in this case, I'm going to express the sound, and then I'm going to attach that sound to a word for a better understanding in this case. So let's start with vowels. We have the E, keep, E, link, food, U, you, help, about, her, more, have, but, after, not. So that's well. So let's start with diphthongs. So we have here I, cry, A, break, O, slow, O, house, sure, fear, O, boy, and sure. So I hope everyone can understand this. The difference between vowels and diphthongs, because in this case the vowels is the sound of one vowel, but diphthongs is the sound of that vowel, but with another one. Okay, so thank you so much for listening, and see you in the next time.